Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SIM card not working on your Android phone by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Very first thing is pull down your control menu and put your phone on airplane mode for 10-15 seconds. What it does is shuts out all the services for your connectivity, and then once you turn it off, it refreshes it. So quick and easy thing to do, and give it a few moments and see if your SIM card is working. If it's still not working, the next thing you need to consider is if you recently inserted a new SIM card, you need to restart your phone. So you can do that by pulling down that top menu, click on the power icon and do a restart this way, or you can use the buttons as well. Here I'm going to use volume down and the side button to press and hold, and then to restart as well. So you want to restart your phone. Now after you restart it, give it a moment, and if it's still not working, the next thing to do is just simply taking the SIM card out and putting it back in just to make sure you did it correctly. So find your SIM ejector tool, take a paper clip or earring piece, locate the SIM slot. Here it's on the bottom on this Android phone. Sometimes it's on the top, left, or right. So wherever it is located, you'll see the cutout. Just put your SIM ejector tool, press it in, give it a little push, and then just pop it out first. Now once you pop it out, right, it's going to remove the SIM card, and then you simply take it out and make sure it lines up correctly. Here in this case, the SIM spot, I match up the cut corner just to reseat it again. And then we're going to go ahead and gently push it back in there. Make sure it lines up correctly, that doesn't move when you do it. And then click done. And you might get prompted to restart the phone. And you're going to want to restart it again to make sure it is reading the SIM card. Now, if you're still having issues, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and update the phone. So you're going to go into your setting, scroll down, or look for a software update. It might be just there or under general, and check if there's an update out. For this, you'll need to be connected to Wi-Fi, and just keep on updating your phone if you see an update till it says it's up to date. Now, once you update your phone, if you're still having issue, the next thing to do is go ahead and into your setting, you're going to want to go to General Management. And in the General Management, we're going to scroll down and look for Reset. And then we're going to do a mobile reset, setting reset. So you're going to see Reset Mobile Network Setting. Click on that, click on Reset, enter your device passcode or PIN, and then it's just going to reset the network settings as well. It's an important step to do in terms of troubleshooting. So yeah, I'm not doing it because just to show you, but something you'll need to do if it's still not working. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is essentially contact your phone carrier or the company just to make sure that your account is active. Sometimes they have it on their end where it may have not be active, and they need to activate it or do something on their end to push the service to start working so they're not blocking your service. Now, if it's still not working, another thing to consider is that your SIM card may not be compatible with your device, which means that if your phone is not unlocked for any carrier and you put another SIM card in a certain carrier, it's not going to work. So you need to contact the original carrier to get it unlocked. And I'm going to link a video on how to unlock a phone. If your carrier gives you a code, you can go ahead and unlock it and then try the new SIM card. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.